I just made this little video reference for you this morning for the people that are doubting my findings with the Nano Plus. So this is the Air 2S in Auto. Just outside my house. And then I switch it into manual. And right now it's 1/60 and 3200 in ISO. I'm changing that now, so I'm getting the maximum ISO that is possible, 6400. So now we're reducing the shutter speed to 1/30. So this is the maximum brightness that the drone can produce. But it's likely not going to be very useful as the amount of motion blur will be too much with the shutter speed 1/30. And as a reference, same scene with the Autel Nano Auto settings. Unfortunately, manual settings is not yet available for video. As well as the insight into what settings the drone is actually using. So this is a 100% neutral comparison with the same lighting conditions, the same position, everything is kept the same.